Hey, I want to do a quick review of this brand new Tesla phone holder kit. I'm really excited about it. What we're actually going to show you today is a real life demo in an actual Tesla Model Y. I'll be showing this on my iPhone 14 Pro Max as well. Do a quick unboxing. Really nice packaging, everything individually wrapped. So this is what it looks like fully complete. There were only two pieces. All you simply do is undo this lug nut, if you will, just so that you can put the ball head inside, and then you gently tighten it down. I'm gonna leave it relatively loose until I find the position that I like. This right here that goes into the area right where the air conditioning vent is, you simply unlock it, and then you're gonna push that in, and then once it's in place, you lock it down. Really simple. You can literally do it one-handed, which is nice. I'll leave it unlocked for now. And then this piece is the actual magnet piece that clicks to your phone. Sorry, let me show you that. You can see really strong. I'm shaking it. Really what you'd expect with a car mount. So I'll go ahead and show you over here. And yes, I know someone in the comments is going to say, why are you doing it on the passenger side? For one, whoever's riding passenger, maybe my wife, is going to want one as well. But I wanted to show it without the steering wheel. So you simply push that in there, and then I'll push the lock. And you can see that thing is not going anywhere. And then I will attach my phone via the magnet. It works in both directions, so if I wanted to add Waze or something else, I could have that here as well. And because it fits on the entire thing, you can move it anywhere you want it. So if you wanted it more to the side, you could absolutely do that. Once again, you can go in both directions as well. This will also fit on the driver's side behind the steering wheel. Really freaking cool product. Really excited about it. I guarantee I'm going to pick up a second one actually. Definitely take a look. I think you'll enjoy it as well.